Volvo installs air purifying devices in school buses with #BreatheFree as a part of its #BreatheFree initiative. Volvo Cars collaborated with Persapien to create and install a device in school buses which would reduce the PM2.5, turning it into moving air purifiers. Aiming to help create a sustainable future, Volvo mobilized school buses as a symbol of children being the agents of change and future leaders. Upcoming Tata Altroz awarded 5 stars in Global NCAP Adult Safety Rating. Tata Altroz has received a 5-star adult safety rating from Global NCAP, a global car assessment program, cementing its position as the safest India-made hatchback. We would like to encourage all other car manufacturers in India to follow Tata's example and bring affordable 5-star cars to Indian consumers, said President. Global NCAP. Tata Altroz is launching on January 22, 2020. EVs will be cheaper than regular cars, a misconception. Maruti Suzuki India's Executive Director Shashank Srivastava at a recent event by The Economic Times said, "It is a misconception that electric vehicles will come at a lower cost." He added, PHEV provides scales for EV component manufacturing, business case viability for Make in India, and bring down the cost of EV in the long term. This year, Elon Musk says Tesla cars will soon talk to people. Shares video. Electric car maker Tesla's CEO Elon Musk has said that the company's cars will soon talk to people if the owners want. He also shared a video on Twitter where a Tesla car can be seen talking to pedestrians. The video showed Tesla's Model 3 car driving past people, saying, "Well, don't just stand there. Hop in." Quote,